Cigarette smoke curls where your promises died. I'm sipping on the silence, choking on the lies. You painted me a saint, then lit the match. Now I'm ash in a frame, just a Polaroid catch. Your hands left constellations of I'll fix it soon, but I'm just a bruise you wanna bloom. You call it love when the thunder claps, kiss the wound but never the scars. I'm a dollhouse burning in slow motion, and you're just watching all devotion. So break me better, twist the knife prettier, dress the rot in roses, make it sweet for the picture. I'm your favorite kind of disaster, a stained glass shatter, a laugh now, cry after. Oh, I'm your bruise and bloom, bruise and bloom. We slow dance in the wreckage, your breath's a hymn. You love me like a secret, guilty under the skin. My ribs are a cage, but you picked the lock. Stole the stars from my eyes, left me ticking like a clock. You're a hymn I can't quit, a hymn I can't sing, a twisted halo, a cutthroat ring. You call it faith when I bleed in rhyme, a sacrament sold for a dime. I'm the ghost in your confessional booth, screaming the truth with a hand over my mouth. So break me better, twist the knife prettier, dress the rot in roses, make it sweet for the picture. I'm your favorite kind of disaster, a stained glass shatter, a laugh now, cry after. Oh, I'm your bruise and bloom, bloom, bruise and bloom, bruise and bloom. I built a cathedral from your maybe someday. Now the pews are empty, the hymns decay. If love's a wound, why's the scar so divine? I'll wear your venom like it's holy.